Apple could rule the world with Bitcoin. In 2020, big businesses and institutions started jumping into Bitcoin in a big way. Now Tesla has invested $1.5 billion into the cryptocurrency and is working on plans to let customers pay with it when buying its electric cars. While Apple exercises caution and watches before jumping into something new like the iPod and the iPhone, I think now is the time for Apple to make a move into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. Here are 4 ways the company could do it and potentially disrupt the entire industry. Why Bitcoin? There is risk investing in Bitcoin like all investments, but there is also huge potential upside if it hits. Apple has the ability to tolerate risk, and even putting just 1% of its cash on hand would amount to a $2 billion investment into Bitcoin. Notably, analysis from Ark Investments sees Bitcoin growing to $70,000 per coin if United States companies put 1% into it, and $400,000 a coin if companies put 10% into the cryptocurrency. Apple and Bitcoin, 4 ways it could move into cryptocurrency. Apple has been publicly optimistic about cryptocurrency in the past. Back in 2019, Apple Pay Vice President, Jennifer Bailey, said we are watching cryptocurrency, and that we think it is interesting. We think it has interesting long-term potential. Option number 1. Investing cash on hand. So Apple has been no doubt researching and planning on what to do with Bitcoin and other crypto for some time now. As far as Apple investing its own cash on hand, I think it is a no-brainer. Just 1% of that would be $2 billion, and would be an easy way to start. It probably wouldn't alarm Wall Street and traditional investors, being such a low percentage, and with Tesla and Apple both investing in it, the moves would spur many more companies to do the same. The 1% mark would be in line with Apple's financial strategy. I don't think Apple is going to put a huge portion of its cash into Bitcoin initially, but it could put itself in great position for huge investment gains if it moved even 5 or 10% of its $207 billion in cash to Bitcoin. But with a history of being financially conservative, Apple may make a bigger initial bet on this next aspect of crypto. Option number 2. Apple Cryptocurrency Exchange. A great option for Apple embracing Bitcoin could be integration with iOS. Big players like Square and PayPal already offer the option to buy Bitcoin simply in their apps, and Apple has been ramping up its financial offerings over the last few years. Apple offering the chance to buy and sell, or better yet, also send and receive Bitcoin person to person right within iOS could be a world game changer. By the way, like, subscribe and share this video if you can. We have a lot more great videos coming up. Post in the comments section if you have a specific topic you want us to explain in a future video. Next up is option number 3. The iPhone as a crypto wallet. So far, Bitcoin has been very messy when it comes to the public understanding how it works and buying it. For beginners or small amounts, there is the ease of buying through Cash App, PayPal, Robinhood, and a few other ways. Those apps allow you to buy Bitcoin with United States dollars. However, these apps don't have a full cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase and others where you can send and receive as well as buy and sell Bitcoin with ease. And for those serious about buying and holding crypto like Bitcoin, they do so with hardware called a cold wallet, which is an offline wallet for the most security for their coins. That's usually a standalone thumb drive-sized device. But the issue here is that it's mostly tech-savvy people that know or are ready to learn about how that all works. In the description section below, I will put some links to these types of very secure wallets. But with Apple's hardware expertise with iPhone and its secure enclave, the company could have a huge opportunity to build one of the world's first secure cryptocurrency wallets integrated into a smartphone that's easy for users to adopt. Apple shared that it has over 1 billion active iPhones worldwide. That could mean a tremendous increase in worldwide adoption if Apple can merge its security expertise with ease of use to allow anyone to feel comfortable getting started with cryptocurrencies. Option number 4. Accepting Bitcoin as payment. How Tesla does with its plans to allow customers to buy its electric vehicles and other products with Bitcoin is interesting. If Apple lets customers buy Apple products with Bitcoin, it will be a huge factor in other companies doing the same. Apple and Bitcoin wrap up. The future of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are uncertain, but it's clear that big businesses like Tesla and Apple are ready to test the waters to discover what the future of finance becomes. I think all signs point to more companies leaping into Bitcoin following Tesla. I think Apple should be next as it has more upside potential than pretty much any other company in the world due to its ability to enter into the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space from multiple angles. Apple could see massive returns on investment by putting cash into Bitcoin, but the bigger deal could be if it could become the leader of software and/or hardware that makes crypto simple, accessible, and secure for the masses. Remember, the resource links below in the video description hopefully can help speed up your journey to making big money in Bitcoin and other crypto. The Crypto Viking is here to help.
TheCryptoViking.com. Finding out how other people are getting rich with Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies. Don't miss out. TheCryptoViking.com.